You are cordially invited to our annual Welcome Back to School Ice Cream Social Open House on Thursday, September 2nd from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. at our Minneapolis District Headquarters, 1250 Broadway Avenue North, Minneapolis, Minnesota. You heard it right. Ice cream for ice cream. Come and join us at our live in-person open house where you can meet your teachers and other K-12 online staff as you pick up your devices and join us for what? Wait a minute. Music, entertainment, and yes, ice cream treats. Wow, awesome, right? I'm Principal Jenkins. Minneapolis K-12 Online welcomes you back to school. For more information, check us out on our website at online.mpls.k12.mn.us/home or call us at 612-668-1450.